Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's solve a super fun Math Kangaroo 2022 puzzle for grade 1 and 2. Get your thinking caps on and let's have some fun. Ready? Let's go. Problem 1. 4 of these pictures show the Great Wheel at the Luna Park. Which picture shows a different wheel? These are our options. So for this kind of problem, we will find a pattern in these pictures and we'll see if that patterns follow along all these pictures. So we see we have two blue and in between we have single yellow. We have two yellow and a single blue. So let us follow this pattern. We have two yellow and between that we have single blue. We have two blues and a single one. So these are not our answer because they match. And we have to find a picture which is different. So here we have two yellow and a single blue, two blue and in between a single yellow. So that can be our answer. We have two blue and in between here two blue and in between we have single yellow, two yellows and we have single blue. So that this can't be our answer. Now we have two blue and in between we expect one yellow. So this is a wrong pattern. Now we have one yellow and two blue. No, this is not possible. So our answer is option E. Problem 2. The picture shows 5 identical bricks. This is our picture. How many bricks are touching exactly 4 other bricks? These are our options. So we see this brick touches 1, 2, and 3. So this is not our answer. So we have this brick, this one, the front. It touches this brick, this one, 1, 2, 3. So that's 1. We found one brick. This one, this brick touches 1, 2, 3, and this one, this outside one. So we found another one, that is 2, makes it 2. Now we have this brick, the middle one. It touches this one, the bottom one, the one which is lateral, and this one. So this is also touching 4 other bricks. So we got 3. So we see this brick touches 1, 2, 3, not 4. So anything outside these 2 bricks are not matching any other bricks. How many left? 1, 2, 3. So these are the 3 bricks which touches. So our answer is option 3. Problem 3. 1 sandwich and 1 juice box together cost $12. 1 sandwich and 2 juice boxes together cost $14. How much do 2 juice boxes cost? These are our options. So you go to the lunch store, you buy 1 sandwich and 1 juice box. The cashier says that will be $12, please. The next day you buy 1 sandwich and 2 juice boxes. The cashier says that will be $15, please. Now think, the second lunch only has 1 extra juice box, right? So if the price went from 12 to 14, that means the extra juice box must cost you $2 because the difference from 14 to 12 is $2. So this juice box is $2. Do you agree? Now question is, how much are 2 juice boxes? Well, if 1 juice box is $2, then 2 juice boxes are how much? Add one more dollar $2. That makes us $4. Yes, you are smart. So the 2 choice boxes cost us $4, which is our answer, option D. Problem 4. Justin wants to make sure each column has only 2 coins and that each row has only 2 coins. Where does he need to place the last coin? And these are our options. So Justin wants to make sure each column, that is this ones are columns, has only 2 coins. And each row, that is this one, these are our rows, has only 2 coins. Let's clear the screen. So let us start with the columns. We have 2 coins here, 2 coins. We have 1 coin in here. We have 2 coins in this column. Let us check the row. So we have 2 coins in this row. We have 2 coins in this row. And we have 1 coin in this row. We have 2 coins in this row. So where does it meet? This here. So he needs to place the last coin at D. So our answer is option D. Problem 5. A monkey has torn a piece from Captain Jack's map. This is the map and this portion has been torn out. Which is the missing piece? You can rotate the pieces. These are our options. So if we observe this picture, we see there is a dark shadow in this picture. So any picture piece which we have will have a continuity in darker shade. So let us see which picture has. This one, no, we eliminated. This one, yes, this could be our answer. This one, no, we removed it. No shaded portion, we removed it. Yes, this could also be our answer. Now we have to compare and find which is more valid, B or E. Looking into the shape, we see a red line. And that red line should continue in the next picture piece. Do we have this red line in here? No. So this is not our answer. Do we have a red line in here? Yes. So only left option is B. So option B is our answer. Problem 6. A piece of paper has 24 squares on it. Some ink spilled as shown in the picture. How many of the squares have ink on them? These are our options. There are 24 squares on a piece of paper. Some ink spilled and we want to know how many squares have ink on them. Let's think reverse. Let us find out how many squares does not have ink on them. So we count 1, 2, 3, 4, and rest has ink on it. We had 24 squares. 4 does not have an ink. So how many squares have ink on them now? That is 20. 24 minus 4 gives us 20. So our answer is option E, 20. So we have finished part A of the 2022 Math Kangaroo Challenge for grade 1 and 2. Please do not forget to subscribe if you are really enjoying these puzzles. See you in my next video of part B of 2022 Math Kangaroo. Thank you.